Hey everybody, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the Roadhouse. Like the whole rest of the world, we got the stay home order. I can still go to work, so thank goodness for that. We in good shape here at the Roadhouse, though, gang. Everybody's well. I hope y'all are too. Alright, let's get to some better stuff here. Today I'm going to do, y'all check this out, man. Today we're going to do some beef ribs. And I got the Oklahoma Joe out there getting hot. But what we're going to do is hit these with a little bit of our Southwest Sunset fajita and a little bit of brisket rub. So let me get these patted down and we'll be right back, gang. Alright, y'all. So I think what we're going to do first, hit it with a little bit of our brisket rub. And believe it or not, gang, these beef ribs were $10, man. I said, you know what? I'll try that a little bit. And a little bit of our Southwest fajita. And on these guys, leave your membrane on the back. You know, season them up pretty good. And like I said, I got Oklahoma Joe coming up to temp. We'll be smoking with some of that good old chunks of pecan wood my buddy cut for me. Alright. Oh, look at that. A little more just for good measure. What y'all think? Hell yeah. We're going to see. It didn't like to butcher hair lip that one. It's all gone. And that was one of the better looking racks. Anyway, alright gang. We're going to be back when the grill gets hot, and I'll meet y'all outside and we'll throw this stuff on there. Alright, y'all, welcome back. Just pardon the background noise. Yeah, the AC's running. It's very windy outside today. The Oklahoma Joe is running at 250. That's good enough for me. Let's get these suckers put on there. We're going to let them go, y'all. Oh yeah. I'm going to let them slow cook for a little while. So we will give them about 30 minutes. We'll come out and check on them. We'll be back, y'all. Alright, y'all, about 275. We got our intake set on 2 and the exhaust set on 2. Let's see what we're looking like. It's been about 40 minutes or so. Ooh, nice color. It's very windy out here today, gang. Very, 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 very windy. Very windy. Okay. Boy, that's looking nice. Boy, it smells good. Tell y'all that. Yes, indeed. All right, looking good. We'll come out and check them in about another 30 minutes, y'all. All right, welcome back. It's about 275. Y'all, that wind is kicking out here. Let's see. Oh, boy, that's looking nice. Look at the pullback on them bones. Give us a little temp right quick. I'm just curious to know. There ain't a whole lot of meat on these things, but cool. About 194. You know what? I probably should wrap these up. Let me go in there and get a little something to wrap these in, and I'll be back, y'all. Alright, welcome back. Y'all thought I forgot the sausage, didn't you? Well, I didn't. I got the beef ribs wrapped, and boy, it's windy. I tell you, that fall. Me and that fall was about to fight, but I tell you what, y'all. Come here, camera boy. I won. Anyway, this sausage, guys. Okay, I was informed that it's actually spelled Conecuh sausage, made in Alabama there, and one of my viewers was kind enough to let me know about that because I don't want to misinform y'all on nothing. But anyway. cats and the girls are in there watching bird videos and stuff with the cats. They love that stuff. Anyway, let me get my sausage put on here and we'll be back. Alright. We're still waiting on the sausage to get done. I got the ribs wrapped. Miss Cary's doing some Cajun butter and probably garlic potatoes. So we're waiting for these to come up to boil. We'll be back, y'all. Alright, welcome back. I trimmed the throttle back. We're about 260. Let's see what we got, y'all. We'll have this wrapped up. Oh yeah, babe. God, that smells good. Okay. I think our sausage is in pretty good shape. Oh yeah. Alright. Let me pull this stuff off. I'll meet y'all inside. Alright, we got the beef ribs pulled off. We got the sausage pulled off. We're gonna do a little quick deal on the on some homemade butter garlic cheesy bread. So just regular old butter spread, y'all, and then got some, you know it, my Fiesta garlic powder. Really good product, man. I'm just I'm sold on it, you know. Got a whole pantry full of that stuff. So got that did, and we're just gonna put a little bit of about 5 cheese Italian on there. Like that. Get that all half-inched up. Alright. And we're going to put this out on the Oklahoma Joe, gang. I got the vents wide open, getting it up to temp. Trying to get up to about 300 or so, 350. So we'll get this out there and we'll be back. Alright, we're outside. The grill is about 340, 335, something like that. 325. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bread on here and let it get going. Yeah, baby. There, no more squeak on my hinge. How you like that? Alright. My wind is terrible today, y'all. Feels good though, really. Down here. Alright. Give us about 10 minutes, gang, and we'll be back. Alright. We got our Cajun butter garlic potatoes here, and Miss Cary surprised me. She actually did some artichoke horsetop with some Italian cheese and breadcrumbs. Yum! I can't wait to dig into this, y'all. We'll be back when we're played up in a little bit. Alright, gang, y'all, welcome back. Our ribs are done. Check them out, man. Wasn't a whole lot of meat on them, but what you expect for a $10 rack? Look at that back one back there. What? Almost nothing at all, man. Alright, let me back out a little bit. Let's check these out. Let's cook these dudes up. Let's see what we got happening. Oh, by the way, there's our butter garlic cheesy bread there. 10 minutes. Yeah. Nice. Alright, so let's see what's going on with these beef ribs. I know I wrapped them too late, but that just pulls apart there. Not bad. Let's get a little taste here and see how we did, y'all. Well, you know, $10 ribs, not too bad. Come on, camera, focus up. Ooh, nice smoke. Alright, now let's see, y'all. Let's turn this away. I'd say that's pretty tender. Yes, sir. See a little smoke on there. And I know I seasoned the membrane on the back side, y'all. You know, because there is a little meat on there. Look at that. Oh, look at there. Oh, hell yeah. You know what? Let me cut one of these down the side here. Let's go straight down the side. There you go, guys. Nice bark. Mm-hmm. A little smoke ring on there. How y'all like that? Hmm? Nice, huh? Tell you what, let's do. Let me pan up. Let's get a bite of this here. Cheers, y'all. Mmm. Oh, hell yeah, man. The rubs I used, look at that. Just pull it straight off. Don't worry, Mojo. Daddy gonna get you some. Man, that's good stuff, y'all. Mm-hmm. No, the temp was high when I wrapped them, but still tender, y'all. Cheers again. Mm. Damn, that's good. One more time. See a little smoke right there? If y'all see that or not. Mm-hmm. Down the hatch. Love me some beef ribs. Alright. We're gonna plate up, y'all, with some of Miss Cary's goodness over here. And these ribs and sausage, and we'll be back in a minute. Alright, gang, y'all, welcome back. We're done. We're plated up. Look at that. Look at that. It's Miss Cary's artichoke hearts with the 5 cheese Italian and breadcrumbs. There's the beef ribs. Yes, indeed, y'all. So good, so good. There's our Cajun butter garlic potatoes, and there's our homemade cheesy garlic bread. There's our Kaneka sausage. Check that out, man. Look at that little smoke ring. Nice, huh? Moist. Tell you what, I was surprised. These ribs came out really good, y'all. So, let's get back on the tripod, and I'll be back in just a second. Alright, gang, we're gonna wrap this up. We got some goodies going here. Everything turned out pretty good, so y'all be safe out there, and appreciate all of y'all. We'll catch y'all next weekend. Bye bye.